YouTube. What? I don't know anyone. You're calling like Dolly or anything. I don't know anyone. Yeah, I saw the photos.
You don't know her?
No, I don't know.
Because she was saying she's your wife.
Yeah, I mean, anybody can say that it's my wife. I mean, there are many who have said this in the past and just block the channel. Just get it blocked. You can complain in the YouTube. A lot of people know me, so, and I mean, it's just, I mean, there's so many stupid people walking around and, you know, coasting around people. I have nearly 7,000, 8,000 followers. Somebody following once. I mean, there are thousands of people who are following me on my Facebook. So I don't know how if somebody is doing it, nobody can. I mean, whoever does it is going to be doing me. So they'll block the channel. As simple as that. I'm saying. I mean, you know, it's like there are so many people who. I mean, it's not the first time I've got complaints about a lot of people. I mean, it's not. I don't know. There are many friends. Somebody claims to them that he's this, he's that of mine, he's my cousin. So I mean, there are so many people who do riff-raffs. I don't care. I mean, it's just my expressing my views, or else nobody controls my life there. Yeah. Married to I think I'm married to at least 600. Just ignore these kind of. I mean, you know what I do. The best part is this: just ignore. If you want to follow me, just follow me and give damn shit about anyone who's claiming to be like this. Just block this lady, complain to the YouTube. That's it, over. I mean, you don't need to control. I don't get controlled by anyone who says to me that this is. I don't give a shit. How come somebody can block you from my ID?
She said she has your ID.
No, nobody has got my ID. Nobody has got my ID. I haven't. I mean, are you on Facebook? I can't block you. Nobody can block me. Nobody can block you from my Facebook ID. My Facebook ID is mine. It's like rubbish. I mean, people are fake. I mean, must be some fake woman. Yeah, I don't know what the shit. I mean, I don't care. The best way is to report to the YouTube, because from where is this lady from Pakistan or from where? Just you know what you should do is. Yeah, just block them. Just block them.